Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. Today is Thursday. A lot of things are going on today in the world. One of them is called Tłuste Czwartek, which means Fat Thursday. So on Fat Thursday in Poland, everyone in the whole country basically goes out and buys these little donuts called pączki, and they eat them. Correct. So we also have our pączki. So it's always a nice day here in Poland when you can load up on loads of pączki and zero sugar, 0 calories. It's always nice.
Are you sharing your pączki today? Or is that just for you?
Yeah, I'll give you one. Anyway, also with a lot of our clients, I think we'd be remiss to mention, we're hoping that all of our clients in Ukraine with this invasion, war, conflict, we hope that our clients that are there and our friends that are there are safe and will continue to be safe. And this will be, hopefully a very short conflict. Or war, invasion, whatever they're calling it, different things on TV. So we hope they'll be okay. Also in Belarus, if there's some issues, definitely we hope that all of our friends and clients will be okay and safe. Having said that, we're working on, it's like work is just going on as normal here. We still have to cover the news and cover what we're doing. We're putting together our CEE Real Estate Awards, which will be held in Romania. March 31st, we've got a couple new sponsors on board today, so we'll be announcing those either Friday or on Monday. So even a jury sponsor, so some big, interesting new names coming to the group. Some new developers also. So always nice to see them with great new projects. We're also working on our CEE Real Estate Guide, Europa Properties CEE Real Estate Guide for MIPIM. We got a great stand there, some great parties to come to. So if you haven't gotten an invitation yet to our stand, kind of mixer and drinks, let me know. We'd definitely like to invite you. I see a lot of other events starting to come through. I'm getting a lot of invitations for different mixers and press conferences and things like that. So it's good to see that MIPIM is going forward so nicely. So if you have anything to promote to the people at MIPIM, to the guests there, to the end users, let us know. We still have some time before our deadline. I think we have another week. Yeah,
we've got another week. Yeah.
Another week, and the next week will come with the deadline. So let us know right away. We'd like to get you in the magazine. The magazine will also be at the CEE Awards, which will be at the end of March, as we talked about. So 2 exciting things coming up. Again, we hope everyone in our region is staying safe and hopefully will be secure and things will be all right. And having said that, we'll take a little bit of a break and show you a little bit about our CEE Awards, and then we'll come right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief of EuropaProperty.com, with the news of the day. Welcome to the 17th Annual Europa Property Southeastern European Real Estate Awards and SCE Forum, held March 31st at the SAS Radisson Blu in Bucharest, Romania. With the most active international, regional, and local investors, developers, and property owners attending, this event continues to be the single most important in the region. The deadline for nominations is February 24th, and with seating limited and the Radisson Ballroom quickly filling up, now is the time to reserve your sponsorship package or corporate table. Okay, we're back. Pączki's back. Everything's still here.
I'll keep the news short, Craig.
Keep the news short.
I know you've got more important things to get on with today.
Pączki eating to do. So let us know what is happening on the EuropaProperty.com.
Thanks, Craig. Yeah, so fresh off the EuroProperty website today, we've got AFI Europe are joining Echo Investment in Warsaw on the Towarowa 22 project.
Oh, right.
AFI investor and developer throughout the region. They're going to take over they'll be responsible for the retail part of this mixed-use development, which Echo Investment are developing in the centre of Warsaw. And I guess this will be, along the lines of what they did at Warsaw Breweries. It'll be old buildings converted into new, and it will create a nice kind of destination for the citizens of Warsaw.
Well, AFI and Echo both both giants in this, and both cutting edge developers. So great to see they're going to put another great project on the Warsaw market.
Yeah, it's a huge project, and it's on about 6.5 hectares over in the Wola district. And at the moment, it's there's obviously a lot of old buildings there, and it needs a lot of love and care. But seen the pictures, and it looks what they're doing there looks like it'd be really nice.
Well, Wola has no shortage of old buildings.
That's correct. Moving to the Baltic states, and some interesting news coming out of the Baltics from NUSEC. And in 2021, the Baltic states, the investment volume smashed the 1 billion euro ceiling,
Wow.
and they recorded 1.5 billion euros. Which is really high for the Baltics, because historically I think they were recording around 800 million. Investors were not too keen to go there because they didn't think there was enough product.
Yeah, small
Markets. So this is a good sign for the Baltics, and obviously investors are attracted to the Baltics. And
good buildings and good profit, probably.
Yeah, and Latvia recorded 610 million worth of transactions, Estonia 447 million, and Lithuania 444 million. And this bodes well for 2022, and they hope that they can keep growing in this direction. And the main, like with the rest of the region, the main industries or sectors which are attracting the most interest of the logistics is first. Obviously, it's surpassed office, and residential is very important now.
Sure.
And but interestingly, they say that retail is gradually recovering, and investors are seeing some good value there, especially in retail parks and convenience centres.
No surprise, people are buying stuff.
Yeah.
Well, good. And that's from NUSEC. Yeah, they're always.
That's from NUSEC and the Baltics.
Really, the agents really doing things there. Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, that's where we get most of our news from.
Leading the groups there. Yeah.
And moving on, and Impost and Vinted have partnered up with deliveries in the e-commerce sector. So Impost, obviously, they've got their delivery boxes, which you can go and pick up your parcels.
Sure.
They're operating throughout Europe now, but now they've partnered with Vinted, which is an online platform where people sell their second-hand clothes. So now when you go online and you buy your second-hand clothes, Craig, you can get them delivered into Impost.
How did you know I was buying second-hand clothes?
I know all your secrets.
I'm not letting anyone else wear my clothes.
I've been buying your clothes.
You've been booking them. Now you can get them delivered quicker, I guess.
Yeah, and so they're going to push this out all over Europe. Poland, Italy, and Spain, the Netherlands, and Portugal.
Right. Well, I guess that'll just for Vinted. They need someone to deliver all this stuff after someone buys it.
Yeah.
Perfect.
So two innovative kind of sectors that are growing and expanding, and just they'll be growing and expanding a lot more.
Even faster. Good.
And finally for today, Lincoln Property Company announced that they're resumed operations in Poland, and they've hired Damian Grzywacz as managing director for the company in Poland. And you might remember last year they acquired a plot in Warsaw.
Yeah.
And they're going to start developing the Form. The office building's called the Form.
The Form, okay.
Yeah, and the company says they've got very ambitious plans for Poland, and not just in the office sector. They'll be looking at all sectors.
Oh, good.
And they're happy to expand their operations here. And the Form will be this first building in the Wola district again. So it'll be a 31,000 9-story office building, offering some retail, and it's set to be ready in the first half of 2024. And this, like all modern buildings today, it's going to be full of the latest ESG credentials, and it will have be net zero, have a WELL certificate, LEED certified. Wow. And JLL will be the leasing agent on that project.
Leasing agent, and I guess probably they'll sell it for them too at the end, won't they, after they've leased it up? Well, that's great news. Is that it for the day?
Yep, that's it.
Good.
Today,
I mean, Damian's been around for a long time. No surprise he's leading some project like this, so well done. Everyone, enjoy the. Thank you for being with us on this Fat Thursday, and we appreciate you watching. We appreciate you being part of that. Hopefully, I have some interesting news for you. Again, we wish everybody in Ukraine and all of our friends and contacts there safe days ahead, and we will hope you'll be okay. We're of course praying for you. So enjoy the rest of the day. Stay safe, and we will. Friday. We will see you Friday. Friday weekend coming. Lots of news for tomorrow. We want some good news. Good news for Friday. Stay tuned. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.